Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about the uh, Peristaltic pump, okay, which is from the brand Heidolph, and it's also called Heidolph PD 50201, and this is a high performance peristaltic pump drive engineered for the exact liquid handling of, and you can say, the fluid transfer in various laboratory and industrial settings. And the peristaltic pump is basically can transfer dose or meet a range of fluid. So you can see here the flow rate is set for ml per minute. You can keep for at rpm also, you can keep for volume ml, and you can also keep for seconds per minute per hour, okay. And it can also be used in cosmetic lotions, abrasive slurries such as lime milk, and mining applications, or sodium hypochlorite and water treatment. So basically it is your dozier pump. So here it is going to suck the water, so we have to identify the suction point and the delivery point. Maximum pressure that the peristaltic pump can go is the pressure rating is around 2 bar, but we can also go up to 16 bar with a specialized tubing and design. So for this tubing and design we cannot go for higher pressure. These pumps can run continuously or can be operated in partial increments for couplings for smaller volumes of fluid, not for higher volume of fluids. These pumps can handle viscous fluids, and it can be used in high pressure applications and abrasive particles. So make sure these are the, okay, so you have to install your tubings here, okay, and make sure that they are well and attached. Then you have to cover them, close them. So these are called the clamp screws, okay, and these are the tubes, okay, and usually the tubes dimensions is around 1.6 1.7, okay. The dias here, the inner dia and the outer dias. Also calibrate here, to be sure that it is pumping or purging the exact amount of volume of water. So for doing these we have to change these tubings and take 3 small tube size for 0.2, 0.5 or 0.9, and then we would checking the feed rate. So for here it is ml per minute. It can also be microliters per minute. And then after selecting these, so you can select, so for example, select, and then select. So here we have chosen 3.4. You can even lower down the feed. Now let's check by switching on the pump. So now we have started. You can see slowly and slowly the liquid is coming up. Now if I'm trying to increase the speed, so you can see the feed is going up, okay. So guys, this is all about the use of the peristaltic pump from the brand Heidolph, and then simply you can just press stop.